ke jingia ke isir kai ke belajia hapo ke Sri Lanka hangile ngila wan I bakini ki yeng ke building bela sak thang hapo Sri Lanka kat kum khubor bela ya lum long bala dan hadu mah nyangut ki bela klat pat palat ars pa ngut ki bela mensau ha kene ke jingia umsnam ha kene ke Sri Lanka.
In line with the strike action called by the trade unions of our country, we strongly condemn the brutal attack carried out by Gotabaya and Mahinda Rajapaksa on the protesters at Galle Face. There are protests across the country today, such as this one.
Sri Kabangila ban I bakumno kini kisipai persang ban penkerja jakano ya uni Prime Minister jong kari Sri Lanka ban light na kajingsa atak lane kajingsa thambor. Presiden ula pelai lu kerwa hakaba ula kerpat ke noh snong jong ke Sri Lanka ke nong shua ke bajai tat hadu ba endalala ban penbek ya kendrum kendram kamtam ke jing ha ke jing kerdu jong ke yo akot kumju ru ha kesuk kesain hak sinsyar kadar ha ke nekeri.
Any further unrest. Sri Lanka is currently reeling under its worst economic crisis since its independence. The country has suffered months of blackouts and dire shortages of food and fuel. This has triggered massive anti-government protests across the country.